Racing just is started. We have Gold Harbor break quickly at the start. Money Queen, perfect timing. Redemption is done on the inside. Tailwind, well, Love Story is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. We have Gold Harbor. Money Queen is on the outside. Perfect timing is done on the inside. Redemption, Tailwind comes next. Well, Love Story is still running at the tail of the field. Gold Harbor in control, maintaining a length lead. Down on the inside is perfect timing, and on the outside, Money Queen. Redemption comes next, Love Story, while Tailwind now running at the tail of the field, half-mile distance. They traveled. We have Gold Harbor maintaining a length and a half lead. Money Queen now about to throw the challenge on the outside. Redemption rushing up on the outside. Perfect timing is done on the inside. Love Story, while Tailwind is still racing in less. Another far turn, we have 3 runners fighting out for the lead. Redemption moving up down on the inside. Gold Harbor, then here comes Money Queen moving up now on the outside, and they are entering the home stretch. We have Redemption by a length and a half. Moving up on the outside is Money Queen with about 150 meters more to run. Redemption, Money Queen is on the outside. Redemption followed by Money Queen. Redemption, Money Queen, Redemption, Money Queen, and finally we have Redemption, Money Queen. Then comes Love Story. Perfect timing, Gold Harbor, and number 2, Tailwind.
Alright, lumalabas na si